Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And as you already know, another mail call. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I got some air mail, it looks like. Now let's start here in the US. We got TennRides out of Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Let's see what we got here. Got a note. Hey brother, sorry it took me so long to send these. I get busy and well, y'all understand. My apologies if this is hard to read. I need reading glasses and don't want to admit it. Y'all ride safe. David, TennRides. I appreciate it, David. Don't worry about how long it takes. It'll get here when it gets here. And I appreciate all the note and the stickers, and I have a poker chip. That is cool. Bumpus. Murfreesboro, Tennessee. I've been to Murfreesboro, but I've never been to that dealership. Oh, you got me a magnet. See, I can put this on my toolbox. That is super cool. Appreciate it. And a sticker. This one's white and this one's black, just like the magnet. Awesome. Thanks, David. Appreciate it. All right, Canada. Superman Kev. I've had some of these letters for a while. I mean, I'm trying to get to them. You know how it goes, being YouTubers, trying to film other things and then making time for mail calls. And Superman Kev says, I hope the note finds you safe. Thanks for the swap. Ride safe. Your Canadian friend, Superman Kev. Appreciate it, Kev. Awesome stickers. And got some poker chips. Here's Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. That's at Black Ridge Harley Davidson. Awesome. The other one is, that's the same one, it's just different color. It's cool, I like that skull. Thank you, Kev, I appreciate it. All right, got a couple airmail I mentioned. This one's out of UK. Oh yeah, okay, I know who this is. Comes from the Wibbly Wobbly Harley Boy. What a channel name. That is so cool. He says, SinisterClutch, thanks for the support. Hope you like the sticker. Ben, dude, I love the sticker. This is so awesome. Check this out. That is kick-ass right there. That is such a sweet sticker. And keychain. That is cool. Camping, rallies, rides, bikes, beers, and badassery. That is so awesome. Ben, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Love the channel. Keep up the great content. Next up, oh, I love this name too. Out of Australia, some more airmail. This comes from Dundee. That is such a cool name. Good day, Sinister. Wow, thank you so much, mate, for what you have done and do for both my channel and Instagram. You have made me feel like a part of an amazing family. You're a true blue honorary Aussie. Thanks, mate. Mick, Iron Dundee. Mick, appreciate it, brother. Love this sticker. Love the channel name. I need to get some stickers this big. That is so cool. That is awesome. So again, I want to thank everybody for the stickers, poker chips, the notes. They're awesome. Thanks for supporting my channel. I'm happy to support your channel. We're one big family. I love this community. It's awesome. Go check out their channel. If you like the content, please go ahead and subscribe. But thanks again. And please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride. See ya.